Let's go Lego! What we are making today? What can it be, Alfie?
What's going to be?
Wow! It's a Lego yacht. In fact, you can make it in two in one model.
2 in 1 pot.
These parts can move.
These pots can move.
And it's got red, blue, yellow, and all kinds of cool colors. Even the steering wheel turns the sail.
Yes, it turns the sail.
Pretty cool. Amazing thing. What's next?
Let's open it and make it together.
Yes. Before we need a ball. Then we have to crack it open.
Crack it open. And we're going to open together this box.
This is going to be very complicated. Yeah.
We open it and get it.
Whoa, so much fun.
Let's take that box.
Now we're going to open it up. And now, yeah, some strong.
And ta-da! We crack this open. Open! Get out of here! Hey, wait.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. Whoa, so many parts and bajillion. Yay. Whoa, this is amazing.
Mama, I got this part for this.
Yeah, that's the sail.
That's for the sail.
This is like some...
And more
Oh my gosh. This is the yellow parts for the boat. Clip these together.
Clip these?
Yes, and this is the part of the sail. Let's take this old plastic and the plastic rubbish, and then we can make it. This is pretty hard. Yes!
Yes!
You called me for help. What seems to be the problem here?
Well, I tried to make it, but it seems to be very hard.
I agree, it looks to be quite complicated. It has some kind of gear systems and it's very technical, hence Technic. So I guess we better make it all together then, right?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's do this! So what I really love about like this, when you turn this, it flaps. But I don't like that there's a flippy-loppy. It's a very big boat. I like it because It's very ginormous, I don't know, but I thought it would be very small, but it's actually very big. I really like it. It's light and it's got very nice color. It's got blue, it's got yellow, it's got black, and it's got red, and it's got wheels. Is not used for water, but we are gonna see if it will sink or float.
We are gonna make experiments here. Yeah!
Let's see, will it sink or float?
Oh, I'm scared of it sink. No. We put it in the water 2 times. It seems to sink. Look. We hope you like our video.
Let's get subscribe.
Bye bye.